Look at this. Thousands of lights, thousands of people, thousands of dreams. They tell you this is a career. They tell you this is stability. But I am here to tell you the truth. This isn't an office, it's a waiting room. And the doctor is coming to tell you your time is up. Every day, millions of employees sit under fluorescent lights, answering calls, replying to chats, thinking they have a career, thinking they're safe, thinking tomorrow will look just like today. But what if I told you it won't? What if I told you your tomorrow is already being replaced? Welcome to the end of the mass IT support and BPO era. Let's cut the fluff. Why are you hired? You have good communication skills. That's it. 5 years ago, that was an asset. Today, it's a joke. AI doesn't just communicate anymore. It empathizes. It resolves. It negotiates. And it does it instantly, in 50 languages, without taking a washroom break, without asking for a raise, and without sleeping. Today's AI can speak better, faster, and more politely than human agents. Tomorrow's AI will solve problems quicker than any trained employee. In a world where everything is being integrated into smart systems, where operations are automated from top to bottom, tell me, why would a company pay a human when an AI can do your job 24/7 for a fraction of the cost? And the scariest part? Millions of jobs won't disappear slowly. They'll vanish overnight. One update, one integration, one new AI model, and your department, your team, your role gone. You might think, this won't happen to me, but that's what every employee thinks. Right before their ID stops working and the HR says, "We're sorry, the company has restructured, replaced, obsolete, outdated." And for the mass IT support and BPO industry, this is inevitable. And for the team leaders and operations managers sitting comfortably in their chairs, thinking, "I just manage people, I'm safe." Wake up. If there are no agents to manage, there is no need for a manager. You are the captain of a sinking ship, barking orders at a crew that has already been replaced by automation. There are AI models being deployed right now specifically designed for managerial tasks such as workforce management, quality auditing, performance reviews. They don't need you to monitor the queue. The algorithm is the queue. This is the part that should terrify you. Right now you are sleepwalking, you are getting married, you are taking out loans for cars and apartments, you are bringing innocent children into this world. You are building a life on a foundation made of sand. What happens when the BPO bubble bursts? Because it will burst. When that pink slip comes, not just for you, but for 50,000 of your colleagues at the same time, where will you go? There won't be any money to pay the EMI. There won't be money to feed your child. You are investing your youth, your energy, and your life into an industry that is preparing to ghost you. Do you really want to look your family in the eye 5 years from now and say, "I didn't see it coming"? To the fresh graduates waiting for that appointment letter, stop. Think 100 times before you sign your soul away. You think it's just a job? No, it is a time vacuum. These jobs are designed to consume you. 9.5 hours of login, 2 to 3 hours of travel. Irregular sleep. When will you learn a new skill? When will you learn to code, to design, to build, to trade? You won't. You will wake up 5 years later, sitting in a career desert. You will have no real-world skills. Just a badge that says you answered calls or took chats for a company that doesn't care if you exist. Don't trade your future for a monthly paycheck that leads to a dead end. And to those in their 40s, my heart breaks for you, but you need to hear this hardest truth. If this industry collapses, you have nowhere to go. Your body is already broken. Night shifts have destroyed your circadian rhythm. The stress has spiked your blood pressure. You don't have the stamina to start over in a labor-intensive field. You don't have the mindset to compete with a 20-year-old developer. You are trapped. The physical sickness you feel, that's not just fatigue. That is your body warning you that you are running out of time. Who is to blame? The companies, they are murdering the youth. No sleep, no breaks, unrealistic targets. And the biggest scam of all, the CSAT, customer satisfaction. It is a rigged game. The product is garbage. The service is down. The manufacturer failed. But who takes the bullet? You do. The customer rates the product 1 star, but it impacts your stack. It impacts your bonus. It impacts your livelihood. You are the punching bag for their failures. You are destroying your mental health to meet a metric that is mathematically designed to be unfair. This industry is evolving into something that does not include you. The era of average is over. The era of repetitive is dead. I'm not saying this to depress you. I am saying this to save you. Use the fear. Let it drive you. While you still have a paycheck, buy a course. Learn AI. Learn to trade. Start a business. Do not go gentle into that good night. The ship is sinking. Stop polishing the brass on the Titanic. Find a lifeboat or learn to swim. Wake up before it's too late. If you made it to the end of this video, it means you are ready to face the truth. Don't let this be just another video you watch and forget. Hit the like button so this warning reaches the people who need to hear it most. Thank you.